Our app is called getWoke, a revolutionary new alarm clock that can help computer science students all over the world wake up in the morning feeling more intelligent and more awake than ever before. How this app works is when the alarm sounds, you have to answer a CS-125 multiple choice question in order to stop the ringing. If you get the question wrong, you will have to walk 10 steps in order to stop the ringing. Either way, you'll find yourself waking up fresher than ever.
Here's a quick demonstration of our app. So first, you can pick an alarm sound. I'll just pick this one, and then you set your alarm. And to turn off, you click disable, and it'll show a random CS125 question. So in this case, I'll get it right, and it turns the alarm off. But let's say we get it wrong. I'll pick a different sound this time. Let's say I get it wrong. If I get it wrong, I have to walk 10 steps, but in this case, I'm just going to shake it. Oops. Yeah, when you shake it, the step counter goes down. And once it hits 0, it turns off. And that's how our app works.
Demo of how we've tried to make the app as bug-proof as possible. So the first one is if the user tries to hit the disable button without setting an alarm, our app displays prompts a message which says please set the alarm first. The second one is if the user tries to set the alarm without picking a song, the ringtone playing service randomizes which ringtone to play when the alarm time's off. The third one is, so right now if you can see the time settings for the phone is 12-hour time settings. So when you set the alarm, the time picker is shown accordingly, and when you set the alarm clock, the display message is also according to AM PM time. Instead, if you try to, if your phone has a 24-hour format, and then if you set the alarm, the time picker is according to 24-hour format, and also when you set the alarm, the display now is according to 24-hour format.
So our app consists of 3 main activities. The first activity controls the alarm functions, the second one controls the multiple choice functions, and the third one controls the step counter. So Aditya will talk about the main activity.
The main activity essentially handles the alarm. So we have 3 classes in the main for the alarm activity. The first class is the main activity class, which initializes all the buttons on the UI as well as the update text. The second class is the alarm receiver class. So when an alarm is set, a pending intent is sent to the alarm receiver class, which sends it to the ringtone playing service class. So the ringtone play service class plays the media song, that is the alarm ringtone that you've selected from the spinner. Also, if you've not selected any song, it randomizes the song that you're playing. Now, Rahul will take us through Peter will take us through the MCQ.
So the second activity, it controls the multiple choice questions. So what it does is it draws data from a Firebase database, and I'll take you over to our database. So this is our Firebase database where we have our multiple choice questions, and what this class does is it chooses a random question each time the alarm goes off, and it also randomly places the answer choices. And the good thing about this is that we can add as many questions as we want, and we can change them around as much as we want, and it will automatically update our app. And now Rahul will talk about our third activity.
Alright, so our third activity is the sensor manager. This is basically the pedometer that's built into your phone. Not all phones will have a pedometer, so if your phone doesn't have one, this part of the app will fail for you. However, we're assuming that your phone does have a pedometer, so therefore it does have a step sensor. The step sensor works by looking for 10 steps being taken in order to turn the app off, or turn the alarm off if you get the question wrong when you're trying to turn it off initially. So in order to create a step sensor, a sensor is created on create, and then basically, as you take steps, we have a counter that is initialized to 11, and then that basically means that you have to take 10 steps in order to turn the alarm off.
And we have all of our code on a a GitHub repository, which is over here. And that's it.